more than technology, I would want to speak on art. Also because even the artificial intelligence begins with art. And if each one of us understand the art of using artificial intelligence, I am sure the concerns that are raised about what will happen to our youth, what will happen to our education, a lot of this can be addressed. There was a study in which it was found for under 5 years of age students, more than 90% of them were found to be creative geniuses. When the same study was conducted on the same students, when they were 15 years of age, only 24% were found to be creative geniuses. And when they were 24 years of age, only 2% were left with that genius, that spark that the students, that the young boys and girls had in them. It all died. Pablo Picasso also very famously said that every child is an artist. The problem is what happens to him or her when they grow. So as educators, are we keeping that creative genius alive? In this era of artificial intelligence, in this era of ChatGPT, gadgets being allowed in schools and colleges, what will make you relevant is this need for art, need for hands-on doing something, need for connections, and surrounded with pagalpanthi, कि ये pagalpanthi चारों तरफ हो जाएगी, and mental health has become a very, very big concern. Suddenly this issue that's raised finally, that are Homo sapiens going to change into something else? Are we as species going to become something else? Because that capacity that Sir spoke about, the supercomputer and our brain, if they overcome us, which in Yuval Harari's famous book, Homo Deus, he has spoken about this fact that Homo sapiens are definitely going to be transformed into something else with the advent and this exponential growth, which is not even calculable anymore.